Well, look who I have here. Is this Santa Claus himself in the flesh?
Do you guys like my shirt? I'm like a Hawaiian Santa Claus.
Ho, ho.
So this video is so fun for us because we have a home! Yay!
This is actually our first Christmas in this home and our first Christmas tree.
It's our first Christmas tree. It's my first Christmas, or our first Christmas ever decorating like this. Like,
Let me tell you about this Christmas and what I've learned about Dani on Christmas. She likes to spend the money.
I'm sorry. I like to go all out for the holidays. But that's been the great thing about, not the only great thing about being married to Jordan, but one of the great things is he's been helping me budget for the holidays, budget for the Christmas decorations,
budget for our lives.
For our lives. So not only are we going to talk about like our Christmas decorations and some DIYs and how like just some fun things, but also we're going to talk about budgeting for the holidays. So all the links for all the products we talk about will be down below, and I'm just super pumped. We worked really hard preparing for Christmas, and I can't wait to show y'all. So let's get started.
Wait, where's your hat? Now we're ready to start.
Now we're ready.
We are so festive.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Please look at Lola.
Lola. Is that your little nook?
And there's Hazel.
Is that your nook? They love to sleep right up on these pillows. Hazel, how you doing? Wanna go to the ball later? Go to the ball?
So we're gonna start in our living room, which is open to the kitchen, so it's really just all one big space. Oh, there she goes. So we have our sofa over here, and I got some really fun pillows from Home Goods. They're really great price. I just loved how cheery they made the room. And then we have a new coffee table where I just went all out with some Christmas decorations. And then I added one of these battery lights that you can get from like a bunch of different stores. Kind of just mix that into some of the greenery. And then holiday candles, y'all. Holidays are all about the candles. You can always make a space feel a lot more bright and merry with just some candles.
Ooh.
I actually think I took this from my parents' house, and I hope they haven't noticed.
You stole it?
I did, but they have so many Christmas decorations, they'll like literally never notice.
Until they watch this video.
Until they watch the video. Okay guys, our Christmas tree. I had no idea that Christmas trees were so expensive. But they are, but it's something that I feel like you invest in for a long time. Like we'll have it for 10, 15 years. So I went with the 9-footer, okay? This is a 9-footer tree, and it's flocked a little bit. I went classic with the ornaments, except for this one that says, our first Christmas together.
Oh, that's us.
That's us. Okay, so I have a really solid tip for you guys. To kind of spruce up your room and make it look a little bit more holiday inspired. I just grabbed some empty boxes, and I just wrapped empty boxes with gold wrapping paper.
I just realized you're wearing those shoes.
I know. I was gonna go fancy, and I was like, no,
you are too festive.
I was gonna do me. I would do me. And I come over here to my garden. Welcome. These are
poinsettias?
Poinsettias. Now, they're not real, but that's okay.
Cassidy, we see you.
It's the Grinch. Now, welcome to our fireplace. If we just step about 1/2 foot this way, here we are. So is this fireplace real? Not really.
It looks real.
We turn it on with a button. But it's
it's real fire.
It's real fire, but it's not like a legit, it's like, what do you call it? Electric?
Well, yeah, it starts on its own, but who has like one of those fireplaces you like start yourself?
A lot of people do, babe.
Oh.
Anyway, if you come over here, we have some really scary looking Santa Clauses that I also got out of my parents' attic. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Now, we don't have a mantle at our house because everything is so modern around here. I actually really want to build a mantle. Not me personally, I want to hire somebody to do it. But until then, I use some command strips for our stockings because I'm all about stocking stuffers. If Santa Claus does not bring me stocking stuffers, then I have been a very bad gal because I love me some stocking stuffers. So we have this one over here, this one over here. These command strips are different colors. Shh, nobody ever notices. Okay, now step on into my dining room. This is where I never cook, but we eat here frozen burritos or Chipotle. So this is my first time having a dining room setup or a tablescape, and it's not anything too fancy, but I did bring out a couple of really fun DIYs that I'm excited to show y'all. So to start out with, we have our table cards with 3 different candy canes I just tied together. It made it really easy. And I've been getting some Christmas cards from friends because I have some of those. And what we did is we just stuck in some of the Christmas cards into the wreath, or you can clip them in there. But I think it's just a really fun way to display some of your friends. And then I'm gonna show y'all how to make this wine glass candle holder slash snow globe. So you're gonna need a pair of scissors, a piece of cardboard, some fun ornaments, sugar, and a wine glass. This is actually a plastic wine glass we got from Target, super inexpensive. And then, of course, some candles. Jingle bell, Here I have another fun DIY for y'all. I am obsessed with lanterns. I actually just got these from Target. As you can see, we still have the tags on them. I got the ornaments from Target as well. And I love sticking in ornaments into the lanterns. You can also add these really fun battery lights into the lanterns to kind of spruce things up, make it like a high-tech Christmas decoration. Now this one I dropped on the ground, so I hope it still works. Oh yes. See, what you can do is you can just stick this inside, and it's like super fancy, you know? I mean, you can just stuff it down there, and we'll work on it later. Okay, so like I said, I'm all about the candles. So I have lots of fun ways to display candles. Number 1, a little wreath that I got from Trader Joe's. Smells like Christmas. These are really fun. You can also display some candles here, but you gotta be careful because these are not in enclosed surfaces and you wanna make sure that nothing lights on fire. Over here, we made a candy castle.
I see, I see.
Alrighty, so I also got some really fun things from Trader Joe's. The winter wassail. We got chocolate ornaments, some Danish butter cookies, which are really good with mochas, coffee, peppermint German spice coffee cookies, and then these are my favorite because those are good, but these are delicious.
What are those?
These are like Oreos dipped in chocolate 5 times with peppermint on top, and it's just like, give them all to me all the time, please. So here we have a Santa Claus napkin. I think that this is always really fun. These are really nice looking.
Whew, we are Christmased out. Woo! What a tour.
So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I hope that you have some good ideas or you want to try these DIYs out. Leave a comment down below with your favorite DIY or what you really enjoyed about this video or any other video ideas for Jordan and I in the future.
And follow us on Instagram.
Yeah, we have Instagrams and we have a lot of fun on our stories, post a lot of outfit pictures on mine, and then Jordan has his own podcast. It's called the Instagram Husband Podcast, where he interviews other Instagram or other like influencers' husbands, and it's a really cool.
We're people too.
Yeah, we're people too. It's a really cool podcast. It's gotten like amazing feedback, so we'll put the link for that down below. And then yeah, just make sure you thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more videos. All right, we'll talk to you later. Bye.